Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 8.2 for 6th standard children. Listen children. Find the missing numbers in each. See this here, what is the missing number that I am going to find out. Okay. See, listen, they are given this 2 are equal. So here what number has to come, I am going to find out. Can you clear this? Let the missing number be x. Okay. I am taking the missing number to be what? X. So x is to 11 is equal to 54 is to 66. Now I can write this by what? X by 11 is equal to 54 by 66. Here I am going to find out the x value. So what is there in the division? You send into the equal to that side, it becomes what? Multiplication. So this 11 becomes, when it comes to the equal to that side, what it become? Multiplication. So listen children, x is equal to 54. So by 11 it becomes what? Into 11. Can you clear this? Now what is there in the denominator? 66. So write that 66. Okay. Now listen, 11 ones are 11. I can cancel my numerator and denominator. 11 ones are 11. 11 6 are 66. Again 6 ones are 6. 6 nines are 54. Now what is there in the numerator? 9 into 1. And what is there in the denominator? 1. So x is equal to 9. Can you clear this? What is the x value I find out here? 9. So now I can write the answer to be, the missing number is what? What is the missing number? The missing number is 9. Got it? The missing number is what? 9. So I can write 9 is to 11 is equal to 54 is to 66. Can you clear this children? I am assuming that the missing number is x and I am writing that into the equation and I am then simplifying that and I can find the answer. Got it? Shall I move on to the next sum children? Listen. See here the second term is missing here. See, for the previous sum you are missing the first term, but here in this I am going to find the second term. Okay. So I can write to be what? Listen. Solution. Let the missing number be x. Okay. Now listen. 7 is to x is equal to 84 is to 60. Now write 7 by x. I can write 7 is to x to be what? 7 by x and equal to. So I have written that equal, and 84 is to 60. I can write to be 84 by 60. Is it clear? Now I am going to find out this x value. So listen, 7, when it is in the division, it comes this side what? Multiplication. So into 60 you write, and multiplication when this side comes becomes what? Division. And send this x, because I am going to find out the x value. Send the x to the other side. Okay. Why? Because of I am going to find out here x value. Listen, 7 ones are 7. Got it? 7 ones are 7. 7 12s are 84. Now listen, 12 ones are 12. 12 5s are 60. Now see this, what is there in the numerator? 1 into 5. Okay, by 1. So my x value is what? 5. What is my x value here? 5. Now I am going to write the answer to be what? The missing number is, the missing number be, the missing number is 5. Clear, children? So what is that? 7 is to 5 is equal to 84 is to 60. We can find this, we can cross check this, whether what we are finding, no, it is correct. Listen, 7 is to 5 I can write to be what? See, to check. Listen, 7 by 5 is equal to 84 by 60. See this? 7 when I multiply by 12 I can get 84. Same thing 5 when I multiply by a 12 I can get what? 60. So the two fractions are equal. Got it? So what we are finding, it is a correct answer. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Here the fourth term is missing. What here? Their second term, here the fourth term is missing. So listen, here also take that the missing term to be what? X. Let the missing number be X. Okay. 10 is to 6 is equal to 25 is to X. Now listen, 10 by 6 is equal to 25 by X. Just send this X to here. See, it is in the division. When it's come this side, what? Multiplication. So X into 10 is equal to 25 into 6. Division, when it goes to the equal to that side, it becomes what? Multiplication. Same thing, the 6 division, when it's come to the equal to that side, it becomes what? Multiplication. Now I am going to find out the X value. So X is equal to 25 into 6. What is there in that multiplication? So it becomes what? Division 10. Can you clear this? Now I can cancel this. 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Now listen, what is there in the numerator? 5 into 3 by 1. So which is what? 15. So X is equal to how much, my dear? X is equal to 15. Can you clear this? See, please go through this calculation. I am going to find out the fourth term. So I have written 10 by 6, 25 by X. Again what? Just I cross multiply the two things. 10 into X, 6 into 25. Just I am cross multiplying this. And keep it this 25 into 6 as it is. And into 10. When it's come this side, it becomes what? Division 10. So after simplifying this, my X value is equal to how much? 15. Now listen, now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer I am going to write? Listen, the missing number. The missing number is 15. The missing number is what? 15. Now I can write the answer to be what? 10 is to 6 is equal to 25 is to, what is it? 15. Okay. Can you understand this, children? Can you understand this? Shall I move on to the next one? Listen. Now 20 is to 8 is equal to box is to 6. Okay. Now here I am going to find out the third term. Okay. Let the missing number be X. Got it? So 20 by 8 is equal to x by 6. Listen, 20 into 6 by 8. How can I write this? The x is here, okay. See, division 6, when it goes this side, it becomes what? Multiplication. So now I can cancel by 2 table, okay. Listen, or I can cancel by 4 table. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Again 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. Now listen, 5 into 3 is equal to x. So 15 is equal to x. What is the x value? 15. Now write the answer. Listen, the missing number. What it is? The missing number is 15. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? See, these are the, we are going to find out the first term, second term, third term as well the fourth term missing numbers. Can you clear this, children? Now I am going to compare. Compare means what? Whether it is a less than or greater than or equal. So here I am going to compare the two ratios. Okay, listen here. 4:5. Just instead of make a box like this, and 3:4. Okay. Now listen. 4:5, how can I write this, children? I can write 4 by 5. Got it? See, I can write in the ratios a 3 way. One is what? 4:5, 4 to 5 and 4 by 5. So, these are the 3 things I am going to write the ratios. Okay. Now listen, 4:5, how can I write? 4 by 5 and make a box. And 3:4 I can write to be what? 3 by 4. Listen, children, when I am going to compare the two fraction, it is in a like fraction. Once, if two fractions I am going to compare, it is to be what? Like fraction. Your denominator should be same. See here whether your denominators are same. No, you are having two different denominators. So what you have to do? You have to make your denominator to be what? Same. So how can you make your denominator? By introducing the LCM. Got it? See, I am going to compare only by the like fraction. Because the like fraction, your denominators are what? Same. So, but here you are having different denominators. The fractions are unlike. So what you have to do? Introduce the LCM and make your denominator to be what? Same. Got it? Now listen, 5, 4. By using the prime number, I have to do the LCM. So 5 1s are, and what is here? 4 is there. Now listen, 2 1 2. Next 2 1 1. So your LCM is what? 5 into 2 into 2, which is what? 20. Clear? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So your LCM is what, children? 20. Now listen, come here. See, 4 by 5. Already in the denominator you are having 5. How you make to be 20? By multiplying 4. So what you are doing in the denominator, same thing you have to do that in the numerator. Now listen, 3 by 4. Already 4 is there. How I have to make it to be 20? By multiplying 5 here. Okay. What you are doing in the denominator, the same thing should follow in the numerator. Now listen, children. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So 16 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now see children, your fractions are like. Like means what? Same denominator, 20 and 20. Now you can compare this, whether 16 by 20 is greater or 15 by 20 is greater. Yes, your 16 by 20 is a greater one. So now I can write the answer to be what? 16 by 20 is greater than 15 by 20. Write the ratios. This 16 by 20 belongs to what ratio? And this 15 by 20 belongs to what ratio? You write that. See what is this? 4:5 is greater than 3:4. Can you understand this? See, from 4:5 I have simplified this 16 by 20 and 3:4 I have written to be what? 15 by 20. So go to the question and write the question here, and 4:5 is greater than 3:4. Can you clear? Shall I move on to the next sum, children? Listen, same thing, 3:4 and 2:5. Now listen, 3 by 4 instead of please you replace by what? Box. Okay. Now 2:5 I can write to be what? 2 by 5. Same thing, different denominator. It is an unlike fraction. So make it to be a like fraction. Introduce the LCM here. Same thing. What is 4, 5? 2. 2 2s are 4, write the 5 as it is. Again 2 1s are, write the 5 as it is. Next 5 1 1. Okay, 5 1s are 5. Now write the LCM. What is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 5, which is what? Same thing, 20. LCM is what? 20. Listen, 3 by 4, already 4 is there, so multiple by what? 5, and here also multiple by 5. What you are doing in the denominator, same thing should be follow in the numerator, and make a box. 2 by 5, already 5 is there, so if you multiply by 4 you can get 20, so into 4. Now listen, 5 3s are 15 by 20, and make a box. 2 4s are 8 by 20. Now compare which is greater. 15 by 20 is a greater fraction. So write the question now. 3:4 is greater than 2:5. Can you understand this, children? Only the thing, how you are going to compare the ratio, write in a fraction format and check whether it is in a like fraction, or else you have to make it to be like fraction by introducing the LCM, and then you can compare. Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.